The music feature helps users manage their music library more efficiently, supporting multiple categorization modes and conditional searches. Create personalized private song lists and share them with friends at any time. In the Music app, the library contains all the music sources already in the device. You can view the song name, artist, album, and duration. When selecting a song, you have the option to perform additional editing actions such as playback and bookmarking. On the right side of the music library, you can play all the music. Batch operations such as play, add to, and deletion can also be performed on music tracks. You can also switch between the list view and the cover icon view. The lower play bar allows you to skip through music currently playing and edit the playlist. And you can also adjust the playback volume level. In the upper left corner, you can enter keywords to quickly search for the music you want to find. Here you can also view recently played music and favorite music. You can view the music resources of all users on this device, provided that the user has allowed the viewing privileges. The system will automatically recognize the music resource information and categorize them by album, genre, and artist. You can create a song list from your music library and play the songs in the list directly. You can edit the song list information in the upper right corner. On the settings page, you can add, modify, and delete the file path of the music library and set the music stop timer.